So, today I'm going to walk you through how to sign up for a NYCMER membership. So, you're going to go to NYCMER.org. On the top left corner, you're going to click Checkout Member Benefits under Why Join, and you'll see Become a Member. And we'll have 3 different membership plans for you to choose from. So, you have individual, institutional, and student. For institutional, that $110 price includes 3 members to be a part of your account, so you get a little bit of a discount rather than having an individual account. So in order to pick a membership plan, all you do is click Join Now. So for individual, it'll take you to the membership application, and you can hit which one you would like, individual or student, and you'll input that information, scroll down, submit, and it'll take you to a secure payment link, and you'll get an email to basically set up your NYCMER membership account through our online portal. Next is institutional. This one, you'll make sure you hit institutional join. You'll input your company or organization that you'll be applying for the membership with. Input your name and your email, since you will be the account holder for the institutional membership, or please make sure to put the correct email for whatever person that you want to have in charge of the institutional membership. They will have the ability to add and swap out different members if people leave your organization or new members come in. Feel free to check out my other video that talks about how to add and remove sub-members. In the initial membership application for an institutional account, it does just include that first member. So after you sign up and pay the $110, you will still need to go back into your account and add in those 2 additional members that you get included with the price. And there you can also add in any additional members that you would like for an additional $40 per person fee for your membership. So otherwise, you'll click submit, it'll take you to the payment link, and that's all you have to do. And again, if you have any questions, please reach out to the membership coordinator, membership@nycmer.org, and they'll be able to help you troubleshoot if you're having any sort of issues. Thank you.